Hello everyone, my name is Vitraag Shet. I am from first year Computer Science and Business System, and my topic is Advanced Garbage Control Technology for the Innovation and Design Thinking workshop. Going to the introduction of advanced garbage control technology. The advanced recycling technology encompasses a range of pioneering approaches aimed at revolutionizing the waste management and recycling landscape. These innovations leverages cutting-edge techniques to address the challenges posed by complex waste streams, including plastics, electronic waste, and more. By putting the boundaries of traditional recycling methods and advanced recycling technologies, seeks to achieve greater efficiency, sustainability, and resource recovery. One of the key aspects of innovation in advanced technology to the development of novel sorting and separation techniques. These methods utilize advanced sensors. Okay, so going on to the features, multi-material handling is one of the feature which create modular system capable handling diverse materials, waste to energy conversion, which integrates advanced waste to energy technologies to convert non-recyclable waste into clean energy. And the third is self-cleaning filters, which filters all the garbage or the unwanted cheese which cannot be recycled further. So solar powered recycling stations, the recycling station with solar panels power their operations, reduce reducing reliance on the external energy sources. 3D printing from recycled materials developed 3D printing techniques that utilize recycled materials, reducing the demand for new resources. So coming to the prototype, the isometric projections of the prototypes looks like this. In this is the front side view of the uh, model, in which we can see the front page, the motor, and the block to put the waste or garbage materials which can be recycled. And this is the internal view for the model, in which we should put the garbage inside here, and later on it crushes down in the shredder system and gets out the tin or any other important which can be recycled further. So this is the front view or upside view of the model. So the conclusion, in conclusion, is that the recycled things we can be useful in any other works such as computer chips, etc. Thank you.